let's create a simple Copilot Studio agent that we can publish to Copilot 365. So here in Copilot Studio, I click Agents. Up in the upper right corner, I click Create Blank Agent, and let me fast forward 20 seconds. That's it. Right now, our agent is just called Agent. Let's change that. So I click Edit here. We will call this by name Agent. Currently, we have a standard icon here. As you can see, we can change this. This is used internally here in Copilot Studio. Once we publish it to Copilot 365, you will not see this icon. We will, of course, have our icon ready once we will publish, but not now. Then you can hit Save here, and this will save the details. We just changed the finance agent. We will not add instructions or anything. This is just about how to publish these agents to Copilot 365 and how to do it right. In the upper right corner, you will hit Publish, force newest version, and hit Publish. Then we will wait 20 to 30 seconds. That's it. And to publish it to Copilot 365, you go up to Channels. Here you hit Teams and Microsoft 365 Copilot. Right now you will see another icon. This is just the default Copilot Studio icon. You can also see that the default is that our agent is available in Microsoft 365 Copilot. You could turn this off if you wanted. We cannot customize these details right now, but don't worry, we can in 15 seconds. So what you want to do is to go down to the lower right corner and hit Add Channel. Then I will fast forward 20 seconds again. That's it. This channel has been added. If you click See Agent in Microsoft 365, you would be taken to Copilot 365, but you will get an error. The trick here is that once you change something, I know we haven't changed anything right now, but then you need to go back and hit Publish once more. Then you can come back to Teams and Microsoft 365 Copilot and hit See Agent in Microsoft 365. But let's add a few details before we publish it again. I can click Edit Details. Here we can give it a new icon. I will click here and I have a finance logo ready. So I'll just use this. You can also see that we have a border. Right now, this is not looking good. So I can also change the color of this border. Let's just go with white. We can give it a description. So here I can say, this is the finance agent of Jensen. This helps the user understand what this is. And also give it a long description. This finance agent helps the finance department of Jensen. Ideally, you want this to be longer, but for this demo, this is sufficient. You can also go down to More down here, and let's just click here. We can add a developer name. My name is Jensen, so I'll add that, and then I will hit Save. Then this will be saved, but we will still get an error. The data will not be updated. The trick here is to close this, hit Publish once more, and then wait 15 seconds. That's it. To see it in Microsoft 365 Copilot, you go to Teams and Microsoft 365 Copilot, again here in Channels. Now you can click See Agent in Microsoft 365. You will be taken to Copilot. Here we can see that we have a nice logo, or at least my logo. We have a name, and down here we have the short description and a long description. When you click Add here, this agent will be added to Copilot 365. Now you have learned to use your agents here in Copilot 365, or at least in 5 seconds. We have it up here. But we want to add another cool step, because if I go to all agents here, you will see it appears up here in your agents, but I want to show you how you can publish it to the entire organization. Then it will show up here and your colleagues can also use your agent. let's get that through. So because we want it to be shown up here, let's just uninstall this for now, at least here in Copilot 365. So I'll do this, then this disappear up here just to not confuse ourselves. Then I will also go up to new chat. We have refreshed this. Now I want to go to this channel again, because the trick here is that we want to publish it to our organization library. If you go to availability options, then you can share it to your teammates and shared users. If you click this, you choose which one of your colleagues that you want to share it with here in new users. For example, I can share it with my colleague Jan. Right now, Jan is a viewer. Should Jan also be able to edit this agent, then I will have a tick mark here. Right now, I will not share it with Jan, so I'll click cancel here. Then let's go back into Teams and Microsoft 365 Copilot. And over here in the availability options, I can also show it to the entire organization by clicking here. Then I will say submit for admin approval down here in the lower right corner. If everyone access to this agent, I will say yes. And then this will be sent for approval. This also means that you won't be able to find it right now in the store. As you can see, it waits for approval. Now the IT admin of your organization, this is me in my organization, so this is easy, needs to approve your agent. What needs to be done is to go to a browser, go to admin.cloud.microsoft and hit enter. Now we're in the 365 admin center. Then I want to go up to agents. Here, I can go down to all agents. Then you want to hit the requests. If I go in here, then you will see that this finance agent is pending review. You want to click it, and then the agent details will load. What you can do here is to hit publish. Here I can choose to say which one of the users should install the agent. I can say all users or specific users. Select users or groups who will have the agent pre-installed. Well, I will not make this agent pre-installed to my colleagues. I'll click next. Then I can just click next here. And if I'm happy with this, then I will click publish. Right now it will be published to my colleagues. It will not be deployed or pre-installed to any of them, but it will be available. And by the way, if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. That will really help me and my channel a lot. Let me fast forward a bit. That's it. We have published our finance agent. If you go back to Copilot, then you go into all agents. And right now you will not see it, but if you refresh the page by going up in the left corner, refresh the browser, you will see that it will appear once this has loaded. And then it will be added into build by your org. Let me fast forward 10 seconds again. There it was, and you will see it down here. Your next advanced Copilot Studio agents is about child agents in Copilot Studio, and it's right here. Thanks for watching.